Hello everyone. So I wanted to take you on a quick little January 1st tour of my backyard and how I plan on turning it into an amazing perennial garden, plus keep working on my vegetable garden and getting some more pollinator plants in. And then I have an area where I want to be doing some cut flowers as well. If you're new here, hello. I am going to basically just keep what I like to call like a little journey of how my backyard is being transformed since we bought it. We just did the vegetable garden this past summer, and I really want to work on getting more flowers and perennial flowers, especially along, I don't know if you can see, this whole entire fence line, probably to like right here where the leaves kind of start to jumble up. So fingers crossed, we have a lot of stuff going on. So first off, I really want to cover up this fence line to get a little bit more privacy, combat the slugs. It goes pretty far. And then I do have some rows of Sharon and lilac bushes over here. And then over here was my very sad attempt to get some pollinator flowers and plants in. I did get a lot of bee balm that I got from an aunt, and I bought a lot of echinacea plants, but unfortunately the rabbit ate a lot of them. And then I caught up a couple of Rebecca over here. And then this is the vegetable garden. So right here we had some raspberries and blackberries. I grew a lot of my lettuce, and there were strawberries in here. The slugs got to all of them. I am starting to winter sow. This was one of my pepper and onions. I had squash, and then also, I'll back up two. I have two arches. The first one right here was a pumpkin arch, and then the second one we had a ton of cherry tomatoes, which was awesome. Oh, and this is also Pelly the Peacock, as my daughter calls it. I had peas growing here and cucumbers, pole beans. I had more cucumbers over here and cherry tomatoes. This time I'm going to do all cherry tomatoes. And then I had a pepper bed and then two tomato beds over here. So we're going to be doing a lot. Against right here, I had all my dahlias. I plan on expanding that and trying to fill in this space. So this space over here, we get a lot of wetland. So we're going to be putting in some more dirt and getting grass. But along this whole fence line, I want to have zinnias, a whole patch. And then somewhere in the middle here, because this gets sun all day long, I want to put some dahlia beds. And then I actually have some peonies in here that I got at the end of the year. I have a lilac tree, and then I have another little perennial area over here with some irises and echinacea that I plan on expanding as well. So as you can see, I have a lot going on, a lot of big ideas. I never would have thought that we would have this vegetable garden here. I don't have a green thumb. It was my first year trying it out. I always had a farm share. So this year we are canceling the farm share, and I'm going to be trying to do it all on my own. So we'll see how things happen, and come along my journey here in Massachusetts Zone 6A. Bye.